If you glanced at the Financial Times in December last year, you might have stumbled upon an article which announced that the Minister of State, Caroline Nokes, was going to suspend the operation of the so-called Golden Investor Scheme. This meant that Tier 1 entrepreneurs and Tier 1 investors would, from the Friday of that very week, be no longer able to make visa applications to the UK. Fortunately, within about a week of that announcement, the decision was reversed. The government is only allowed to change the operation of the Tier 1 scheme by way of amendments to the immigration rules, and the proper route is not to make a press release, but rather to make a formal statement of changes to the immigration rules. But it was a fortunate error because it's thrown a little light on what the government's plans are for Tier 1 visas. So what have we learnt? We've learnt that the proposed period for which investment funds should be held prior to the operation of a Tier 1 visa will be extended from 90 days to 2 years. In addition, Tier 1 investors will have to provide certification from firms of accountants to show the source and origin of funds. On the positive side, the government has also extended the scope of the entrepreneur scheme to include architects, and they suggest that the operation of the new scheme will have a more entrepreneurial element to it. So when the government's new immigration bill is published, shortly thereafter we expect a formal statement of changes to the immigration rules, and OCS solicitors will be launching an initiative in parallel with that change to cater for the new category of Tier 1 entrepreneurs and investors. So if you would like to contact OTS and make further inquiries about the operation of the new scheme, we'd be very glad to hear from you.